Hi guys, this video is to show how to section your Global Lit books into three approximately equal sections so that you can chunk it up a little bit for you as you read and it doesn't seem quite so overwhelming, as well as so we know where we have stopping places where we can have discussions with our classmates. I'm going to model how to do this using the book that I'm currently reading for IR called Sadie. This book would not count for the Global Lit book, or excuse me, for the Global Lit unit, as it is not about another country or culture and the people who live there. Again, I'm just using this as a model, okay? So go ahead, get out your Global Lit book right now. Once you have your Global Lit book in your hands, turn it to the very last page that you are required to read. So I'm gonna open my book. And at the back of my book, I have a section titled Acknowledgements. I do not have to read that. That has nothing to do with the story. If you have a section called Author's Notes or Thank You or something along those lines, you do not have to read it. However, if you have an epilogue section, you must read that. That is a continuation of the story. You need to read it as that is the actual ending of the story just some time later. So the very last page of my book is 308. So I'm going to grab a sticky note. I'm going to place it on page 308 and I'm going to write end of section 3. When I get there, I will know that I have finished my book. So to get approximately 3 equal sections, even though I left my calculator at school, don't worry, I still have my phone, and yes, I still have to use a calculator. I am going to go to my calculator app, and I'm going to do 308 divided by 3. So the number of the very last page in your book that you must read divided by 3. That gives me about 102. So in my book, I'm going to find page 102. If I look in my book, though, it's not a very good stopping spot for me. It's right in the middle of the chapter. So to make sure that it's a logical stopping point, I'm just going to flip a couple pages ahead and a couple pages behind. Ooh, a couple pages behind is shorter. To find the beginning of a chapter, this is a much more logical stopping place for me. So I'm going to grab a sticky note and I'm going to place it there. And I'm going to say end of section 1. So the original number I got on my calculator was 102. So I'm going to take that original number 102 plus the actual page number I stopped on in my book for section 1, which was 99. Okay, so 102 plus 99, that gives me 201. So I'll flip to 201 in my book. Again, no luck. Not a logical stopping point, but that's okay. I'll just flip a couple pages ahead or behind. Oh, 1 page behind. That gets me the beginning of a chapter, which is a much more logical stopping place. So I will take my very last sticky note and I will put it there. And I will write end of section 2. So that is a quick refresher on how to section your book into approximately 3 equal sections for this unit. Hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Happy reading.